Lesson 12.5, Working Backwards. Now everything you learn in this video will be on your next focus quiz and Google Classroom, so pay attention. So first thing you need to learn is how to regroup time. So let's focus on what you know. So if you see 43 minus 8, you know that you can't just go 3 minus 8. No, you got to go, this 3 goes to a 13, and the 4 goes to a 3. So now you have 13 minus 8, which is 5. 3 drops down. There you go. What if you have 52 minus 6? Well, you can't just go 2 minus 6. You have to go, that goes to a 12. You have to regroup. The 5 goes to a 4. So now 12 minus 6, 6, 4 by itself. Okay, now here's how you regroup time. So again, how many minutes are in an hour? This is important. You should know this by now. 60, right? Okay, remember this, remember it. So 5 o'clock, 2 zeros minus 22 minutes. Zeros and zeros, this is like 0 minus 22. It doesn't work. So what do? We got to regroup time. So the 0, we're just going to X that out. How many minutes are an hour? 60. So here we go, here comes the 60. And where did we borrow the 60 from? Oh, we borrowed it from the hour. So this 5 goes down to a 4. Okay, now what's 60 minus 22? Well, we got to work it out again, right? 0 minus 2, that doesn't work. So that goes to a 10. So we borrowed. So this 6 goes down to a 5. And now we're good to go. 10 minus 2, 8. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 just goes down by itself. And there you go. Voila. What about this one? 810 minus 35 minutes. So, and remember, when you see minus, it means we're going back in time. So let's go back in time 35 minutes. 10 minus 35, does that work? No, it doesn't. So we gotta borrow 60 minutes from Mr. 8. So, now, we gotta add, so we add 60 plus this 10 makes it 70. Okay, we don't just write 60 because we have 10 minutes here. Okay, goodbye 10. Now we have 70. And goodbye, Mr. 8. You go down to a 7. So, 70 minus 35. The 0 minus 5, that doesn't work. We got to go to 10. Which means this 7 goes down to a 6. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. And a 7 comes straight down. There you go. That's the time, 7:35. Last one. 1124 minus 53. 24 minus 53. That doesn't work. So what do? We got to add, we're going to borrow 60 minutes. So let me just go ahead and make this into a 10 o'clock. Because we borrowed 60 minutes from the hour. So what's 60 plus 24? It's going to be 84, right? Alright. So now let's take a look here. Oh, this is easy. What's 4 minus 3? That works. What's 8 minus 5? The 3. That works too. Okay, and the 10 comes straight on down. So this is how you regroup time. Now when it comes to your focus quiz, okay, you're going to need to know how to do all of this on a number line, which I'll get to in the next video. Doing it this way, this will help you double check your answer, but on your test, you must show the work. Okay, now go ahead and watch the second video.